Tesla has quietly introduced the 2025 Model Y Juniper on its Chinese consumer website, offering enthusiasts a glimpse of the revamped electric vehicle. This latest iteration boasts a sleek design and enhanced technological features, embracing a futuristic cybercab aesthetic. The exterior showcases a reimagined front end with split headlights and a full-length LED light bar, reminiscent of the Cybertruck. The bumper incorporates slim side intakes, drawing inspiration from the Model 3 Highland. Notably, the hood-mounted Tesla emblem has been removed, resulting in a cleaner appearance. At the rear, a full-width darkened light strip, described by Tesla as the first indirect reflective body panel taillight, adds to the vehicle's modern appeal. While the side profile remains largely unchanged, the car's length has increased by 41 millimeters, and it now features new 20-inch Helix 2.0 wheels. Certain markets will also offer 19-inch Crossflow wheels in black. The Model Y Juniper is available in two new shades, Glacier Blue and Deep Blue. Inside, Tesla maintains its minimalist approach, upgrading the infotainment display to 15.4 inches and adding an 8-inch touchscreen for rear passengers. New seat designs with ventilated functions enhance comfort and support. Technological improvements contribute to a quieter ride thanks to acoustic glass, retuned suspension, noise-optimized tires, and aerodynamic refinements. A revised chassis setup offers more responsive steering, while redesigned interior elements feature ambient lighting, vegan suede inserts, and an integrated audio system. Although Tesla has not disclosed specific motor outputs, both trims are anticipated to deliver slightly quicker performance than previous models.